Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to be fashion goddess in Dress to Impress with only few clicks. Okay, let's get into it guys. To be the fashion goddess in Dress to Impress, you need to join Coolness DTI moded. This one, and you can search it on Roblox. And then you can go to the dressing room and you're going to change your ranks here. Okay, you can choose fashion goddess, and then now it's done, you will be the fashion goddess here, and you will be able to explore the VIP room and you will get this dress. Okay guys, and that's all the way to be fashion goddess in Dress to Impress with only a few clicks. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.